Welcome to the Graduate365 video on the new transfer cohorts detail report. This report allows me to compare specific cohorts of new undergraduate transfer students on different variables. Let's look at how to find information for a specific population. In this example, I want to look at students in the fall 2019 cohort who transferred from a community college. Let's start by clicking on Cohort Description. I need to place a check mark next to each cohort that I want included on my report, so I'll click FA19 to add the fall 2019 cohort to the report in addition to the fall 2016, 2017, and 2018 cohorts. Now I'll click on View Numbers By to select the variable that I want to use. I'm going to select Prior Institution Type to view cohorts by the type of institution that they transferred from. The report will update with my selections automatically. Let's scroll down to look at the chart in more detail. The chart is showing new undergraduate transfer students who are a part of the fall 2016 through fall 2019 cohorts, grouped by the type of institution that they transferred from. I'm interested in fall 2019 cohort students who transferred from a community college, so I'll hover my mouse over that row to view more details. The green section of the row indicates that 80.05% of the fall 2019 cohort who transferred from a community college have graduated from the university. The blue section of the row indicates that 4.45% of the fall 2019 cohort transferred from a community college is enrolled and not graduated. The red section of the row indicates that 15.49% of the fall 2019 cohort who transferred from a community college is not graduated and not enrolled. I want to investigate these students more, so let's scroll down to the table to view more details. You can scroll through the results, but it's easier to collapse rows. Simply click on the minus button to collapse a row. If you don't see the plus minus buttons, click on the Menu Options button and select Show Plus Minus Buttons. Now I can see that for the fall 2019 cohort, the vast majority of transfer students came from California community colleges. And looking at both the fall 2019 and fall 2018 cohorts, I can see that the rate of not graduated and not enrolled has been around 15%, although it's slightly higher for fall 2019. I'm interested to know more about the fall 2019 students who are not graduated and not enrolled, so I'll click on the 595 to drill down to student record level data. I'll choose Not Graduated, Not Enrolled count as the data I want to view. The student level data will open in a new tab or window, and I can scroll through the student's contact and academic details. Let's click on Degree Audit Status to sort by that column. I'll choose to sort descending to group all of the students together by degree audit status. All of the students with no audit appear at the top. I'm going to scroll down to see if any students have met their degree requirements. Here I can see that there are 3 students who met their degree requirements. It's possible that these students were unaware that they needed to apply for graduation in order for their degree to be conferred, or there may be some other reason they didn't complete their degree. I want to download this list of students so I can do more research and then contact them to find out what barriers they may have to completing their degree. I'll click on the Menu Options button to download the results. Then I'll choose Export to Excel, although I can also export to CSV if I want to use Excel but have more flexibility with the formatting. The file will then be available in my Downloads folder within a few minutes. Thank you for viewing this video. To learn more about Graduate365, you can view links to additional resources in the notes for this video.